Baker Drywall and Triangle Plasterings for 38 years. They've used only people that they've hired. We pay their payroll taxes. You know, they get benefits with 401k and profit sharing, things like that.
We pay taxes on our employees. We hourly work our employees by the hour. They're paid a paycheck on Friday for the hours that they work. There's not piecework, there's not labor brokerage.
Currently our EMR is 0.38. That's just, you know, staggering how low that EMR is. And you know, we got that way by not hiring labor brokers, by paying a decent wage, by paying the payroll taxes, by training these people. A lot of our people in the field have been with us 15, 20 years. And they know that, you know, we're going to be here for the long haul.
You're gonna get a paycheck on Friday. You know, and you know, like I said, I've been here 35 years and we've never not met a payroll. We pride ourselves as being businessmen and women that we do it the way we feel like is the right way and the way the industry looks at it being the right way. But a lot of times they accept lesser than because of one thing, the bottom line price.
I think if we continue to only as an industry to focus only on the price aspect of it, then we quickly become nothing more than a commodity. So our goal is to bring in added value. How can we give you a competitive price, but also bring in something that has value to not only what we see as valuable, but if we can focus on the value of the client and give them a value that they can then share with their owners and their clients.
That's why we're involved in BIM. That's why we're doing Total Station. That's why, you know, we're trying to do so much more to be able to go to the owner and the GC and say, hey, this is what we can bring to the plate. Now, what can our competition bring to the plate?
All this technology and all the software packages that we've brought in and we're working with, our goal again is to enhance our client's position with their client. And if we can enhance their position with their client, then we know the benefits will filter down to us as well.
When you pay for something, you're paying for the value, and we bring a lot of value that a lot of people don't know. They just see a dollar amount. But there's the way we operate, there's value in just the way we operate and the technology that we use.
You get what you pay for. The general contractor, the owner, whoever's involved in it. You know, if they pull in a D-class contractor, they're going to get a D-class dollar worth of work. You pull in an A contractor, you get all this plus.
I take great pride in the fact of driving around and seeing projects that we've done and knowing that, you know, Baker Triangle contributed to the community, and at the same time we employed several hundred people and help their families, you know, get ahead in life.
When you take a bid from Baker Triangle and you take a bid from XYZ over here, are you really comparing dollar for dollar what you're getting for your bang for your buck? You know, with us, you're getting quality, you're getting the assurance that you've got professionalism. You're from the top to the bottom. You know, we're going to take care of your needs. We've never in the history of Baker Drywall not finished a project.
When you're done, you're proud of your work and you know that you've done everything right. You just feel cheated if you didn't do it the right way.
I assure you, it was done properly, it was done the way it was supposed to be, and there was nobody cutting corners, there's nobody trying to cheat the system, and I can assure you our employees are being paid what they're supposed to be being paid, and that, you know, we're taking care of what needs to be done when it needs to be done.
We're going to be around, you know, we're going to do things the right way. Our customer can take that to the bank, and they know that when they choose Baker Triangle that we're going to do the right thing and get the job done with the right people.